near the Pacific Ocean.
Yes. Bago view.
Bago view. Five eggs here. Let's see how it will cook here. Now it's 11:25.
Lower it in. Lower it. Hang on to it.
That's half to that.
What is there? Soft boil.
Soft boil.
Scrambled.
Mga ilang minutes?
10 minutes.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Nagasolate boiling water here at Barangay
Hulugan.
Hulugan. As you see, they are steaming. Ayun, ito kumukulo na po doon. Steaming water. Daron is medyo umuusok na. Take us all 1 hour drive. 1 hour drive from city proper to here. Going up here. I think nasa taas na tayo ng bundok, no?
Yeah. We're in the middle.
We're in the up in a and nahulog siya rito kanina. Hello everyone, greetings from Legazpi. Here in we're almost in the tip of Legazpi, close to Sorsogon, like almost 1.5 hours drive to Sorsogon, and it take us almost then 1.5 drive from Legazpi town proper. So ito yung bahay nung in-law ni Michael, yung tumulong sa amin to drive us around here sa Legazpi. So enjoy the view and the neighbors community here.